In this tutorial, we are looking at the laws of supply and demand in reading the psychology of the market using the chart. The asset that we're looking at is Bitcoin versus the US dollar at D1. I've already marked out the areas where there are important prices, important points, or rather, where there seems to be an impulsive move on the market in the chart. The psychology behind an impulsive move on a chart simply shows that either there is high supply or high demand on a particular price level of the market according to the chart. And the asset we're using is Bitcoin. This is the US dollar at D1. The ultimate hack of this video is that you don't need to know the candle patterns or the candlesticks. Don't need to know the moon signs or trading on whatever signals you have, the Fibonacci. On this one, it's just a matter of your observation and how the chart behaves when it reaches a certain price level. This is the main focus of this video. Highly beneficial for beginners and also pros at trading alike. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Here is where it gets interesting. Now, when you switch to W1, that is weekly, we're able to see these movements here as marked with the horizontal lines. So we'll begin with the first line and observe what it marks out. Okay, so looking at the first horizontal line here, we're able to notice that this area is a high demand zone because of these candlesticks, these bullish candlesticks that we're observing here, and the bearish candlesticks that come to this point and reject this price, hence making this area a good support zone. Therefore, it's a strong buying area or buying pressure. As we can observe here, also see that this point becomes a resistance once there is a breakaway in terms of how the market are moving. Example, here we see we've got a downtrend. Got a downtrend here. See, the market is going to a downtrend here. See it retesting here, coming back, retesting for the second time. Then it retested here and here for the second time, and then finally broke away. And once we have this break here, we see the price is dropping a little bit, going back up and retesting again here. Then we see this support area, which is a high buying area. See that we observe that the market continues buying after breaking away. After this breakaway here, we see that the market continues to buy. Hence making this point a high support level and a buying, or rather place of high demand once it reached this level. So this is what you need to know about demand. The same concept applies with this, the second horizontal line here. You see that once the market reached these prices, see a strong buy, and that the market comes back to retest here. Once it retested this price here, it shoot up with a strong buying pressure, making this area a high demand zone. As you can see, it retested here and rejected the prices from going down after this downtrend, rejected the prices from plummeting for the market, and we see strong buying pressure at this point. This is how the laws of supply and demand work on the psychology of the chart. Thank you for watching.